Good evening, NEA. How we all doing? Yeah, all right. Hey, let's get up for Teresa again. That was an amazing voice. Wherever she went. All right. Thank you for this opportunity to speak with you today. Being here with you, my union siblings, is a huge honor. All the delegates in this room, including my fellow educational support professionals, are some of the most dedicated and resilient people I have ever met. No matter what curveballs people throw at us, we're still showing up every day to care for our students, our colleagues, our communities, and we are still at school board meetings, state houses, RAs, rallies, and more. We're doing everything we can to advocate for better learning environments for our students and working environments for ourselves. I started doing union work when I was only 3 years old. I know, right? Whenever I'd come back to school in the fall, my teachers would always ask what we did over my summer break. And I'd always tell them I spent my time campaigning for school board members, joining rallies and joining rallies with my parents at events. I'd walk around the neighborhoods, handing out campaign flyers, waving signs at intersections, and it wasn't just the summers. I spent my whole childhood doing union work, and I loved every single minute of it. I am proud to be raised by union members who are also educational support professionals. Thank you. For 30 some odd years, my dad was a lead carpenter, and my mom was a lunch manager in Jordan School District, which is in Utah. Thank you. This also happens to be where my amazing wife currently works as a lunch manager. Thank you. She is amazing, by the way. My parents instilled in me strong union values that have helped me in my roles as a head custodian for Canyon School District, as a union leader, and as the Education Support Professional of the Year. While my parents encouraged me to work in public education, my students are the ones who have encouraged me to stay in public education. Just last year, I had an interaction with a student that I'm sure I'll forever remember. And one day, the student confided in me and told me he was gay. He explained that he was more comfortable talking to me than his parents, and he wanted to practice with me before coming out to his parents. It was right? You guys can go ahead and clap on that one. It was a powerful moment and a reminder of just how much our students rely on the caring adults around them for support. Moments like this are why I believe everything we do as educators matter. Our students notice and they care. I always say that my work as a custodian goes beyond maintaining a building, and this applies to all of us. Our work is more than the responsibilities outlined in our job descriptions. It's about fostering, right? Go on, let's hear it. It's about fostering a community that students and staff feel proud to be a part of. A community where everyone feels safe, healthy, included, and supported. Every student and every educator should be able to learn and work in a school environment where they can be themselves and free from violence and any kind of bigotry. I tell people all the time that when we signed up to work in public schools, we signed up to be politically active and engaged. We have to be political, plain and simple. I mean, it is what it is. It's the only way we can make real changes. And when I say political, I don't mean red versus blue. I'm saying you must advocate for yourself, our students, us, and our working families. I think we can all agree that ESPs, like other educators, deserve more funding, resources, and opportunities so that we can give our best to students and so students can do their best in life. I am glad to hear that more and more places across this country are realizing this. They are starting statewide campaigns like the NEA ESP Bill of Rights. They're engaging educators, students, parents, community allies, and elected leaders to push for fair pay, good benefits, better working conditions, and respect for all ESPs. It's a powerful movement that everyone here can join right now. Please pledge your support for the ESP Bill of Rights by going to the NEA website or stopping by our booth in the exhibit hall. Not only that, I mean, I've heard they're giving away some pretty cool stuff and you can get a selfie. Who doesn't like selfies, right, Noel? It's a challenging time for public education, but challenging times give us the opportunity and a reason to grow as union members, as educators, caregivers, as neighbors, and as leaders. In Utah, I've seen people throughout the community step up to defend unions and fight for our rights. It takes all of us, every single member of our union, to make big changes. We can't wait around and expect for someone else to come in and save us. We are the ones that must come together and save us. Those of you who know me know that I'm a talker. And while I am more than happy to go on and on, I will leave you with this quote from one of my all-time heroes, Mr. Rogers. Often out of periods of losing come the greatest strivings toward a new winning streak. When Utah passed a collective bargaining ban earlier this year, I'll admit it felt like a big loss, but it only meant we had more work to do. So we joined a coalition of public sector unions. We organized, and we won more than enough signatures to get a referendum on the ballot. This means now we have a fighting chance to repeal this anti-union law and win back our collective bargaining rights. Losses can be turned into small wins that become bigger when we keep trying. As a union, we have the power to win, and in some ways we are winning. The fight is never over. We can and we must continue to protect our public schools. We won't stop until every single one of us get the pay, benefits, working conditions, respect, and respect that we rightfully deserve. Because when we fight, we win! Let's try this again. Come on, y'all. Because when we fight, we win. Thank you, NEA. I appreciate this opportunity. See you a little better.
You are so fabulous.